Wow, what has happened here? Must have been a gigantic landslide. I thought this would be a tarmac road, and now it's natural disaster area. Hello and good morning, welcome back to Colombia. I am here in Guaca, and now my plan is to go to, well, direction Capitanejo. I don't know how far I can get today. First of all, I need to change oil and check my chain, and then as far as I can get today. That's the plan. This is the main road. Doesn't look like it, but it is what it is. Market time, I guess. Oh yeah. And again, it's a shame I don't have more, like, where I can put things. I would love to have some fruit with me, so I don't always have to be on the watch out for something to eat. It's a bit boring now. And also I prefer to eat fruit instead of empanada, croissant. Yeah, so that would be where I go, if I go. And I don't know if it's a good idea. It's not dark over there, but it's cloudy. It's not blue sky. I'm a bit doubtful. Well, I didn't do the dirt road I planned because it seemed too long, too cloudy. I don't want to have again a disaster like getting wet and getting very cold. But I found me a new one, and this one is beautiful too. Look at these views. I mean, down there I can see Soatá. Weather seems to be okay. I'm not sure. But I did not want to go all time on a tarmac road. So I found this one on my GPS, and yeah, let's see. Yeah, look down, this is Soatá. Well, I'm riding here on this trail for quite some time, I guess for an hour or so. Haven't met anybody. It's okay. Although this is clearly all agricultural. There are little houses. Must be people working here in the fields. It's a pretty good road and good for cars and trucks and whatever. So probably it's just maybe because it's lunchtime that I don't see nobody. But I enjoy the ride. Also, I'm almost at 3 again, 2,815. It's going up here more. It's not the end, but it feels warm when I compare it to in the morning when I was at the same altitude, and it was really cold. Yeah, I feel good. It's not too cold even on 3,000 meters, but I still hope it doesn't go up to 4. Good views all the time and always different. Yeah, now the highest point lies behind me. I'm already going down. It's very smooth riding here. And there's such a fresh smell in the air of all these trees, and I guess I've seen some eucalyptus. Yeah, this is also a nice view here. And I'm completely alone. I haven't met a soul. And look how far it goes. Yeah, that's a wonderful day. I didn't think it would be that good because I skipped the dirt road I wanted, but this one is super recommendable. I'm so glad I'm here. You hear the river down there. There's a river which goes down through the valley, and yeah, no people, almost no animals, some cows there. It is agricultural here, yeah, because you see the fences and all, and wood, but nobody here. Yeah, landscape is changing here a little bit. Oh, water around the corner. Okay. A horse, of course. Okay. Well, completely different here. Sandy, rocky a bit. And look at these views. Wow. It is crazy. This is crazy. And it's so typical for Colombia that if you think, this day, because I thought the same yesterday when I had this disaster day with the rain and storm and construction and darkness and mud and all the things I don't like, it was the same. And today I thought it's gonna be boring, and it's not. Colombia never is boring. It's full of surprises, always. Yeah, and after so many years in Colombia, I should know that, because it always happens to me. I should make no strict plans, because they don't work. But always, like, something better comes instead. As today. Well, guess what? It started to rain again. Okay, but I'm almost through with the mountain part here. So apart from being again wet, it shouldn't be so. Oh, but maybe I try and find a roof because it's raining harder than I thought. There is a roof, but I don't know if I can use it. It looks like. Ha! Oh no, this is a bit private. It's private, but nobody's living there. That would have been perfect. Then I go for a tree. Oops. But where? Oh, why? Why must it always rain every day? Well, believe it or not, there's a natural disaster area. As I said, my day is not done. Oh, I thought this would be a tarmac road, and now it's natural disaster area. Wait and see. Oh, I see many rocks. Wow. Wow, what has happened here? Must have been a gigantic landslide. And I have to go this way. Oh my god, this day. Okay. First water. And then okay, here, second water. Oh, okay. Wow, this is scary. Well, that was easier as I thought. Look here. This is the way from, well, the village down there is San Joaquin, and now I'm on my way to Mogotes, and I need to find a hotel in Mogotes because it's already 4:30. If all goes well, I will manage to get there at 6, I guess, with the last rays of sunlight. Well, what sunlight? Daylight. I definitely will not make it to San Gil, which was an idea I had, one of many ideas or plans that will not come true. But I had a fantastic day. I mean, all very unexpected, but nevertheless a perfect riding day so far. Look, this view. It is simply unique. Yeah. Okay, now finally I have arrived in Mogotes. Now please, please, please let there be a hotel. Restaurants. So I will not die of hunger here, but I need a bed. I need to get out of my wet clothes. Oh, there are many flags. What is that? Oh, there's a hotel. Right in front of me. I'm gonna ask there. Well, all's well that ends well, and so it is with this day, because it was a bit crazy. I did not expect all this dirt road and all this rain and cold, and yeah, for me it was like a roller coaster today. But now I'm in Mogotes. I found a hotel, a really good one. I'm right close to the plaza. Look over here. I have a balcony. This is my view. Yeah, you can still see that it's wet everywhere. It has rained everywhere. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you again next Saturday. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you next time.